If you've always wanted to make spring rolls at home and you have been having difficulties making this, because there are so many spring roll sheet recipes online and it can just be a struggle to make one. Here is how to make the brush method spring rolls. Okay, now you're going to go in with 1.5 cup of flour, half tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil and 1 cup of water. You're going to mix this together to form a paste. Now this method or this recipe is very easy because your sprinkle sheets will be ready in no time and you don't need so much flour to make sprinkle sheets that will be enough for your filling. So with just a little amount of flour, you can make so many sprinkle sheets and the outcome of this is also crispy. But after a while, it can become soggy. So this is for people who want to make something at home for their family, very quick and easy. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to use a non-stick pan for this brush method because your sheet will not come out perfectly well if you're not using a non-stick pan. Allow your pan to heat up and then you're going to start, applying your batter on your pan. I'm going to do 2 layers of batter application. What do I mean? When I am done applying the first batter on this pan, I'm going to go in again with an extra 1 layer to enable this sheet come out very well and not to break. If your sheet is too thin, it may break while coming out from the pan. Okay, so you can see how clean this is coming out because the batter is not so light on the pan and the outcome is great. So if you've exhausted your batter, you can go ahead to wrap your spring rolls. You can also use this sheet for your samosas too. You must not use it for only spring rolls, you can use it for your samosas too. You just have to cut it into the desired shape that you want and go ahead and start rolling your spring rolls or your samosa. So if you are struggling on how to roll your spring rolls, this is just the exact way to do it. Add your filling at the extreme end of the sheet. You're going to fold in one fold in first, then bring the two edges together. Okay, you're covering the edges of the filling that you've placed in this sheet. Now go ahead and roll it down to the end and seal with flour paste. This flour paste is just flour and water mixed together, nothing much, but don't allow it to be runny. Okay, repeat the process for all your filling until your filling is exhausted. If you didn't get the way to fold this, you may want to slow this video down and see how to neatly fold your spring roll so that it does not spill while frying, because if it spills out it becomes oily and soggy, so you don't want that. Do well to slow this video down and see how to properly and neatly roll your spring rolls. Okay, this method of rolling is very easy to do and the outcome is always perfect. So when you're done with this, go ahead and heat up your oil and fry your spring rolls. You want to deep fry your spring rolls. I did not deep fry in this video because it is something I was going to consume just immediately. So if you're going to leave this for a very long time, or you're making it for a customer, do well to deep fry it so that it comes out extremely crispy. Even while lightly frying this spring roll, it still came out crispy. Okay, everything just depends on how well you apply the method that has been shown to you in this video. So you can see that I did not deep fry my spring rolls, but I did well to turn it at intervals. Okay, so that both sides get to fry and one side is not oily. Okay, so do this and fry all your spring rolls that you've made, and you can serve this with any sauce of your choice or any fruit drink of your choice. And if you found this video helpful, do well to subscribe, give this video a like and a comment, and tell me what you think about it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.